superficial. Alright? Ain't nothing special about it, just could do things, you know, it does things, it's heavy and light at the same time, could disappear and reappear. A lot of mystical stuff goes on. It's a mystical world. It's digital. A lot of y'all feeling wetness, moist, hard and soft feelings around you. You understand it's a digital. A lot of y'all been remastered. I had to come out 2 something that. You're hearing things from other places, you're hearing things outside the country. White people try to act like they know what's going on. Black people act like they're going on. Chinese, everybody got their own version of what's going on. We got visitors out always here, exposing themselves now. A lot of things going on, a lot of mad whackers. Some people be whacking off. A lot of sick things going on today's time. This one ain't supposed to be wise. This one of those Christian ways should be activated. The Quran ways, the righteous ways of being wiser need to be activated at this time. You're all about who's God right now. Just practice those righteous ways. That's how you stay the fuck out of trouble. Leave the God stuff to the gods. As a child of God, because you're born from mother and a father, even though they might not know God concept mentally, but they have God concept physically. Was why He created you, which is a form of creating life. So you are a child of God. For your way of life, if you need the Quran or the Bible to help guide you, or put that fear in you so you don't do the wrong thing, you have that fear so you don't do the wrong thing. So you're too brave. They got too much balls. They're too quick to pop shit, too quick to jump up and get whooped the fuck down. Alright? They ain't got no hand skill, they ain't got no but mouth. A lot of mouth, a lot of tongue game. Too much tongue, too much, look at y'all. Too much pussy eating game, too much tongue game. Alright? Man up, fellas. Ladies, calm the fuck down. Y'all ladies got too much balls right now. Cause you see these guys there being a man, so y'all feel like I should be a man. I respect it, but I don't understand why you think there's no men out here. I respect what you're saying, ladies. I respect what you do, cause these guys ain't writing this out. I see it every day. And a lot of them are lames. You got these young, you know, these 65 boys, they over 10, they still acting gay. That's how hard it is to be a man, ladies. It's that hard to be a man. Even a man don't want to be a man right now. That's how hard to be a man is actually to be God. That's where I'm at with it. I'm God, wiser, elder. So ladies, I understand. Fellas, I know it's hard to be a man, so y'all choose to be a weak or a coward. I understand. I don't respect it, but trust me, I understand. Society is hard, conditions are hard, and attack all these worries and fears about life and death. Yeah, death is real. Physically, when you decompose, that's the end of that. But mentally, yeah, you reap what you sow. It's never too late to stop smoking cigarettes. So it's never too late to stop being gay. It's never too late to stop being a liar and stop stealing. Stop cheating. When you stop doing something that's negativity, it deletes the past and allows you to add on to a new future. But you can't renege yourself. Because if you renege yourself, you're going to lose 3 books. Those 3 books are the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. When you lose those 3 books, you're done off. Alright, OG. Pac-Man, Supreme the First, the God, one of the gods, many gods. Peace to all earth, sisters, still do what you gotta do. I know it's hard. I know it's hard, sisters, my righteous sisters. I know it's hard. Some of y'all dancing, sus for the side and make a little ends meet. You like to get the new Jimmy Choos, the new shoes, handbag, all that commercial stuff. You playing yourself. You know you playing yourself, your father, your baby father, all y'all niggas are playing. I used to play myself. Waste our hard-earned money on materialistic things that's not gonna do nothing. Hard sell. Let's get ready to go overseas, people. Let's get ready to go overseas. Yeah, man, let's get ready to go overseas, man. They built new cities in China. They hold 47 million people. 67 million. That's the population of blacks in America. 45 million. All of us can fit in Las Vegas. Let's give these devils back their shit, man. They helped us. We helped them. We got some experience. Let's take some of our skills and go overseas. Let them deal with the other forms of life. Let them deal with the, you know, the immigrants, the Jews, the Muslims, the Asians, whoever want to come from their country over here. When you come over here, it's because you're running from something. Yeah. Religious things, illegal things. You don't come to America for no reason. Unless you're a tourist and you go back to your country. When you come to America, you're running from something. So America always been a trap. It's always been a trap. You know what I mean? So, the brothers and sisters got a couple dollars. I'm trying to get 3,000 signatures and get a letter, and put a letter together and take it to my city council or the governor or the president, see if I can get all my gods of earth to come out the closets, all the righteous sisters, the Muslim brothers and Christians, good God-fearing people come out the closet and acknowledge who we are and take our black movement to Asia or China and help them over there, could it help us quiet as kept? Yeah, North and South Korea. Shout out to Clan 13. He went out there in the war. They slide him some mathematics, enlighten him. You know what I mean? Shout out to Koreans and Asians. Yeah, man, because they're black too. Yeah. So pretty soon, you know, America's in debt, but they handled it. The devil, the gangsters with their shit. They were dead during their shit, people. They were dead foreigners on their shit in a heartbeat. I said to say this. Pretty soon, within 5 to 10 years, a lot of people will be dead because they got AIDS. You can push a button, you die in an hour. Eazy-E had AIDS on Monday, he died on Friday. Fuck with Dr. Dre. Shout out to Dr. Dre, all the doctors at MD. Shout out to DOC. Sorry about your voice. Shout out to Dr. Dre, DOC. Brothers out the West Coast, East Coast. Shout out to brothers in the South. Shout out to Texas rappers. Shout out to Scarface. Rest in peace, Pimp C, Bum B. Shout out to all the brothers. Welcome home to the Boosie. Webby, little fat nigga. Shout out to Trina. Shout out to all rappers. Shout out to fat ass Rick Ross. Só pra ser mon shit, c'est quoi c'est mieux qu'on aime pas jouer mon shit. C'est good that you couldn't pas jouer. Shout out to Future, welcome home, welcome to the hip hop world. Shout out to Ace Hood, shout out to Jim Jones, Dipset, you know, Southside North, shout out to BX, shout out to all rappers, shout out to ATL, I said ATL, shout out to Canada, T-Dot, shout out to Drake, you know what I'm saying, all this shit, shout out to Young Money. Shout out to Lil Wayne, he was a Rikers Island with me. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's Pac-Man, that's the god. He was a Rikers Island with me back when I was my last bid. Shout out to Nicki Minaj, Southside, Basie, Farside. You know what I mean? Just don't let it. Shout out to old rappers, Queen Latifah. Shout out to Sweet Tea, that's my homegirl. Shout out to Roxanne, the real Roxanne. I know her personally, those are my homegirl. Shout out to Dougie Fresh, Little Vicious. I know them personally. Little Vicious is my people. You feel me? It's like, ain't shit got going. Shout out to Marlon from the Wire, Jamie Head, that's my nigga Zip. One of my co-defendants, my right hand man. Shout out to Shaki Bando. Shout out to my nigga Kilo in Jamaica holding shit down. Shout out to my nigga Sing Attica. Shout out to my nigga Southport Black. Shout out to my homie Lacey the Brim. Shout out to my nigga Superb Man the Warrior. Shout out to Man the Warrior. Shout out to Red Fox. Shout out to my homie Free. Shout out to all Valentine. Rest in peace, the Ghost of Valentine. Shout out to all that. Shout out to all UBN survivors. Shout out to all Crips and Disciples. Shout out to all Latin Kings. Shout out to all Matathon, all Mexican gangs. Shout out to all gangbangs who bang for what they believe in. Shout out to full Muslim brothers. Assalamu alaikum. I don't eat the bacon either. Well, not often. Shout out to all Christian brothers. May peace be with you. Peace to all Buddhists, all urban monks. I'm an urban monk on the low, people. I'm an urban monk. Another way of life. Shout out to all strippers and hoes. I make it happen. Shout out to all hustlers selling good products. Shout out to all militant brothers do the job. Shout out to officers do the job properly, due process. Shout out to the court. Shout out to the judge. Shout out to all clerks. Hey, somebody gotta do it. Shout out to all Eagles and Hawks. Shout out to the sun, the light shining. Shout out to my moms and my pops, my stepmom. Shout out to my aunt. Shout out to my punk ass little brother. Shout out to my sister. Shout out to my nieces and nephews. You know I love that, like cook food. Shout out to Rosedale, aka Mobsdale. You know without you, man. I just want to be prosperous. Shout out to Brooklyn, Queens. Shout out to Utica, President. Shout out to Hollywood, Alexei, Aaliyah, Charlie, Malika. Shout out to the Outlaws, man. Brooklyn Outlaws. Shout out to all Albany Projects. Shout out to Marcy, Westside, East New York, Flappers, Vanderveer. Shout out to Flappers. Shout out to New York Avenue, Ditmas. Yeah, man. Brownsville, Bed-Stuy, South Bronx, Uptown. Shout out to Harlem, Jefferson Projects, Johnson. Shout out to all projects in New York City. Shout out to Long Island, Staten Island. Shout out to Freeport, Nassau, Hempstead. Shout out to Hempstead. Shout out to Wyandan. Shout out to Suffolk County. Shout out to Upstate, Utica, Albany, Schenectady, Poughkeepsie, Syracuse, Buffalo. Shout out to Niagara Falls, the whole United States, Texas, California, Compton, North Hollywood. You know, shout out to Delta Air Force. Shout out to JetBlue. Shout out to Marines, Navy SEAL. Shout out to all military, all brothers come up in the military. Shout out to all 5-star generals. Shout out to the FDA. You know what I mean? Shout out to mental health crews and all that. Shout out to all doctors and nurses. Shout out to all separate staff crews. Shout out to sanitation, keep our streets clean. Shout out to everybody who took the righteous way of living, man. In the world, no time super. These planets have been around for a very, very long time. The end of the world might be your own personal world, people. Your own personal world. The universe is so big, we all have our own world. When you're in the toilet with a half full of kids, that's when you're in your own world. You have time to think. When you're in your car, you're somewhere by yourself, then you can see you have your own world. When you come outside, whoever's great influence around you, you're in their world. America have a great influence on y'all. We in America's world. I'm America's dream right now, you know, so we all part of America's dream. America do what they want with their dreams. So you gotta be the best dream you can be for yourself. Shout out to all producers out there. Shout out to Dream. Shout out to Swiss Beats, Alicia Keys, Jay-Z, Beyonce. I fuck with y'all. You know, hey, Jay-Z, no respect. I like Beyonce way before you was fucking with her. Since you was telling her a question or throwing snowballs, I know y'all in love. Happy ass motherfucker. You was a lucky motherfucker. You a Sagittarius too. Shout out to all Sagittarius, man. Shout out to all Sagittarius. Shout out to Lauren Love. You're a fine creature. Shout out to Making Good. I love you. I love all women. I do. I love women. I'm going by it. I can show and prove women better than anybody on planet Earth, but I'm not here to do that right now. You say I support all women, of course. I know how it is to be a woman in life, because sometimes we don't understand you. You know, you feel like you're an alien. Nobody understand how they can have a click and hormones and desire and needs, and you like men, you like women. I know I like women, man. Women like women. Cause y'all beautiful. I know how that feels. I'm God. I feel everything. Shout out to all women. Shout out to Nia Long, Gabrielle. I can't pronounce my Haitian sister name. You know, you already got that white boyfriend. Shout out to all Haitians. Stop I said, go ask Munocap, LMC. You know how that family go. Shout out to all Spanish people, Latinos. You know what I'm saying? You know, hola. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my Russians out there. Behave yourself, Russians. Shout out to my Chinese. Nihama, you know, see how that shit goes. Shout out to all brothers out there. All my Jews. Shalom. You know what I mean? Try to keep the peace with life. Shout out to America, man. You know, see my clans out there, the brothers try to keep their right shit on. Shout out to all Ku Klux Klan members. Yeah, they try to do the righteous thing. The Aryan Nation, yeah, they gotta live too. All Aryan Nation, all the cults out there, Masons, or Bonus Squad, the Guards. You know, we all got our own shit out here, man. Black Panthers, Liberal Army, NAACP. Yeah, man, rest in peace to all the black brothers that died within the past 20 years, man. Shout out to all nations out there, all women groups and stuff, all breast cancer, overdose, diabetes. Shout out to my baby mother, Wendy. My daughter to say she'll be hard. She's gonna come home with her punk ass. Man, she's the worst daughter. I don't know, she's not like that. She's just in denial. She got her mother, her ear, waka, 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 waka. How your mother gonna tell that bullshit? I've been with her for years. And she to this day, she's not her first love. You still they come check me yet. Ain't got she do it. If y'all know her, tell her call your father, man. Ain't got she do nothing. But anyway, if I even get to this point of my movie, because some of y'all don't watch my shit that long, some of y'all do, but if y'all do watch it, I appreciate y'all hanging out and watching my short movie. It's a long one. I'm gonna have to cut this short. I might make this 2 versions, because it's kind of long. This should be the part 2. I'm gonna make 2 parts. I'm gonna put 1 part earlier. I'm put another part. I'll put 1 part up today, and another part tomorrow, because it's kind of long. Alright, OG Pack must be the first. This has been a Feather Music exclusive. It's a little enlightenment, you know what I'm saying? The 25th, the 25, the 7th, 52 blocks. I had to do a little this, a little that. Alright, peace, travel, safety, people. Remember, so many times, be careful in the pool, don't jump in the pool drunk. With a proper trunk, some pools will not let you allow proper trunk. If you're in the beach, don't go where it's too shallow. If you can't swim, don't try to pretend you can swim. You will drown. Everybody's not Baywatch, they will let your ass drown. Alright, it's the weekend. OG Pack was the first. I ain't gonna rap. That was a rap. Oh, that's my rap. That was my rhyme. That whole shit right there, that was a rhyme. For real, that was me rapping in the beat. That was that new shit. Alright. Peace. This is it, right? Official.